In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off disable Instagram story comments. If you find this video helpful, please consider to liking this video and subscribing. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, I'm going to go ahead and open up the Instagram app as I normally would. And now from here, I'm going to go to my profile. I've currently got a story on my Instagram, so I'm going to click onto my story to view it. Now from here, to disable the comments or turn off, what we need to find is the three dots on the bottom right hand of this page here. So we'll click on the three dots. And now if we scroll down, you'll see turn off commenting. Go ahead and click onto turn off commenting, and now the comments are turned off. Now, if we want to go ahead and disable story comments for all future story comments, what we can do is head back to your profile, click on the three horizontal bars. Now from here in your account, in your settings and activity, scroll down and look for how others can interact with you and click into messages and story replies. And now story replies here, so click into story replies. And at the moment, mine is set to allow story replies from everyone. So if you want to go ahead and disable every story reply, go ahead and click on don't allow story replies and then go back. And now when you make your next story, no one can reply to it.